أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وإذ قال ربك للملائكة إني جاعل في الأرض خليفة قالوا أتجعل فيها من يفسد فيها ويسفك الدماء ونحن نسبح بحمدك ونقدس لك قال إني أعلم ما لا تعلمون وعلم آدم الأسماء كلها ثم عرضهم على الملائكة فقال أنبئوني بأسماء هؤلاء إن كنتم صادقين قالوا سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم قال يا آدم أنبئهم بأسمائهم فلما أنبأهم بأسمائهم قال ألم أقل لكم إني أعلم غيب السماوات والأرض وأعلم ما تبدون وما كنتم تكتمون صدق الله العظيم.
President of the Republic of Maldives, His Excellency Dr. Mohammad Muizzu, Chancellor Dr. Mahmoud Shawki, Vice Chancellor Dr. Aisha Shehnaz Adam, Deputy Vice Chancellors, Honorable Ministers, Excellencies, distinguished keynote speakers, presenters, participants, students, and invitees. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and a very good morning to you all. My name is Fatmat Nafha Asim. It is my pleasure to welcome you all to the opening ceremony of Tewali 2024, the 7th Annual International Conference, and to announce the order of proceedings of this event. A very warm welcome to you all. We have now commenced our proceedings with the recitation of Holy Quran by Al-Ustaz Abdul Rahman Yunus. Thank you, Al-Ustaz Abdul Rahman. May I now respectfully invite Vice Chancellor Dr. Aisha Shehnaz Adam to deliver the welcome remarks. Dr. Aisha Shehnaz.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Guest of honor, President of the Republic of Maldives, His Excellency Dr. Mohammad Muiz, Chancellor of MNU, Dr. Mahmood Chowgi, Honorable Ministers, Excellencies, keynote speakers, presenters, participants of the conference, distinguished invitees, and heads, staff, and students of MNU. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and a very good morning to you all. It is both an honor and a pleasure to welcome you all to the opening ceremony of the 7th MNU International Teweli Conference. On behalf of the Maldives National University, I extend a very warm welcome to all the attendees with special recognition to our esteemed keynote speakers and international participants who have traveled to the Maldives for this prestigious event. We hope you have a pleasant stay and enjoy the renowned hospitality and sunny side of Maldives. Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we are deeply honored to welcome our esteemed chief guest, President of the Republic of Maldives, His Excellency Dr. Mohammad Muiz, a distinguished scholar with a profound commitment to education and research. Your Excellency, your presence here, along with your unwavering commitment to advancing research and evidence-based policies, and your establishment of a research council and a research fund highlights your vision for the pivotal role research plays in our nation's development. Your support for MNU highlights the significant value you place on higher education and research in shaping our nation's future, and it greatly motivates us. Thank you, Your Excellency. Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, the Teweli International Conference is a significant event in our academic calendar, eagerly anticipated by both local and international scholars who share a deep belief in the transformative power of research and knowledge dissemination. This year's theme, Bridging Boundaries, Exploring Synergies Across Research Disciplines, is both timely and crucial. In our interconnected world, challenges extend beyond single disciplines and require a collaborative approach that integrates diverse fields, including both sciences and social sciences. Interdisciplinary collaboration drives innovation and problem solving, advancing knowledge, and impacting society and policy. As we strive for similar advancement, we must embrace innovative thinking and foster research that contributes meaningfully to national development. Through our collaborative efforts and collaboration, we can tackle the pressing challenges of our time and build a brighter future together. Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, the Maldives National University, with its rich history, is deeply committed to leading research initiatives that drive national development. This conference exemplifies our dedication to aligning research with national priorities and addressing societal needs. Over the next 2 days, we will engage in meaningful discussions focused on enhancing our research capacity and contributing to both national and global progress. It is important to remember that the pursuit of knowledge and research is not just an academic exercise. It is a fundamental driver of progress and innovation. MNU's commitment to this mission is evident in the workload policy implemented at the start of this year, which makes research a mandatory component for all academic staff. I am especially pleased to see a record number of MNU staff and students presenting at this year's conference, including, for the first time, our administrative staff. Additionally, it is encouraging to see students being recognized with early career researcher awards. Congratulations in advance to all the winners. In conclusion, once again, I warmly welcome Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, and participants at Teweli 2024. We look forward to insightful discussions and scholarly exchanges. A special thank you, Honorable President, for taking time off from your busy schedule to grace us with your presence. Your Excellency's support is deeply appreciated. May Almighty Allah guide our research efforts toward a brighter future for our nation and globally. As the eminent scientist Albert Einstein has wisely stated, the important thing is not to stop questioning, as curiosity has its own reason for existing. Thank you, and wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Thank you, Vice Chancellor, for your inspiring remarks. May I now kindly invite Dr. Mariam Shahuniza Nasir, Dean of Research, to provide an overview of the conference. Dr. Mariam Shahuniza Nasir.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Praise be to Allah. May the peace and blessings of Allah be upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and upon his household and companions. Chief guest, President of the Republic of Maldives, His Excellency Dr. Mohammad Moiz. Chancellor Dr. Mahmoud Shawgi, Vice Chancellor Dr. Aishat Shehnaz Adam, Deputy Vice Chancellors, Honorable Ministers, Excellencies, distinguished keynote speakers, presenters, participants, students, and invitees. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Before proceeding to introduce Teweli 2024, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to His Excellency President Dr. Mohammad Moiz for honoring us with his presence today. Your esteemed presence underscores the significance of this conference and serves as an inspiration to continue to advance research and fostering collaboration. It is with great pleasure and excitement that I welcome you all and stand before you to provide an overview of Teweli International Conference 2024. This year marks the 7th edition of Teweli, a testament to our enduring commitment to advancing research and fostering collaboration. Over the next 2 days, we will explore the theme Bridging Boundaries, exploring synergies across research disciplines. This theme reflects our dedication to transcending traditional academic boundaries and encouraging cross-disciplinary dialogue to address some of the most pressing challenges of our time. The name Teweli is derived from a Divehi word signifying the dispersion of rays over the sea as the sun or moon rises and sets. Just as these rays spread light across the ocean, this conference serves as a platform to spread the light of knowledge, illuminating not only our nation but also the wider region and global community. Our aim is to bring together scholars and students from across the world and to disseminate their invaluable knowledge through the proceedings of this conference. I'm thrilled to announce that this year we have received a record number of submissions, 206 papers in total. Of these, 186 were accepted, marking an increase of 40 papers compared to last year. This impressive number reflects the growing research interest and the high quality of research presented at Teweli. Despite receiving requests for late submissions from many individuals, we had to make the difficult decision to decline them due to the high volume of quality papers. The conference will cover 13 sub-themes, including public health strategies, cross-disciplinary pedagogy, technological innovation, sustainable agriculture and fisheries, legal innovation, sustainable built environments, arts and humanities research, sustainable tourism, integrative healthcare, environmental sustainability, and ocean and maritime management. These topics highlight our commitment to addressing complex issues through collaborative research and innovative solutions. In recognition of outstanding contributions, we will present 2 prestigious awards, the Outstanding Paper of the Conference and the Early Career Researcher Award. These awards celebrate excellence in research, stimulate original inquiry, and enhance Teweli's reputation as a premier international research event. The selection process involved a rigorous evaluation of paper submissions based on originality, research rigor, and the strength of conclusions. This year, we are privileged to have received papers from 14 countries, a significant increase of 7 countries from last year. Our international participants include researchers from Bangladesh, Egypt, India, Indonesia, Japan, Kenya, Libya, Malaysia, New Zealand, Nigeria, Pakistan, the Republic of Korea, Sri Lanka, and the UK. This diverse representation underscores the Theveli's global appeal and significance as a platform for sharing innovative research and fostering international collaboration. I'm honored to announce this year's keynote speakers, Professor Hiroki Ogata, who will speak on AI and data analytics in education, Professor Luke Rainville, who will address ocean observations, Professor Kawar Hamid, focusing on next generation teaching and workforce development, Dr. Aisha Telina, who will discuss her work in congenital heart defect repair, and Professor Krishnakant Budavant, who will explore the study of air pollution and its impacts. Their contributions will undoubtedly enrich our discussions and provide valuable insights into their respective fields. As we embark on this exciting conference, I encourage everyone to engage actively in the discussions, exchange ideas, and take full advantage of this opportunity to bridge boundaries and explore new synergies across disciplines. Although my primary role today is to introduce Theveli 2024, I would be remiss if I did not take a moment to express my heartfelt thanks to everyone who contributed to making this event a success. My sincere gratitude to you all. I'm especially grateful to Team RDO, whose dedication and passion have been nothing short of extraordinary. Over the past few months, they have worked tirelessly, often putting nearly 12 hours a day away from their homes and families. They have poured their hearts and souls into every detail of this conference, striving to accommodate every request from participants. Managing the scheduling demands, particularly given the number of participants, required meticulous effort and countless hours. Their unwavering commitment and hard work have ensured Theveli's success, and I could not have asked for a better team. Please know that your efforts have not gone unnoticed, and I'm deeply grateful. You are truly the best. I would also like to extend my deepest appreciation to Vice Chancellor Dr. Shehnaz and Deputy Vice Chancellor Research and Enterprise Dr. Rahima for their unwavering support and guidance. A special thanks goes to Dr. Rahima, who spent late evenings working alongside us just like one of the team. Thank you all for being here, and I wish you a productive and inspiring conference. Welcome to Theveli 2024. May Allah bless us in all our efforts and guide us in all that we do. Ameen. Walhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.
Thank you, Dr. Mariam Shahaneza, for the overview. May I now have the honor of inviting to the stage a distinguished leader and a scholar who has emphasized the crucial role of research and evidence-based policy making in tackling the critical issues and challenges of our time. Under his visionary leadership, the Maldives is navigating towards sustainable development and a promising future for all. I now respectfully invite the President of the Republic of Maldives, His Excellency Dr. Mohammad Muiz, to present the Theveli 2024 Early Career Researchers Awards and Outstanding Papers of the Conference Awards, and to address the participants and the distinguished invitees of Theveli 2024. His Excellency Dr. Mohammad Muiz. The awardees for the Early Career Researcher Theveli 2024 are Taima Hassan, Aishat Shuhula, Imala Shakir, Muhammad Zayan Mustafa, and Fatmat Afnan Masood. Influence of academic lifestyle and social factors on the levels of stress, anxiety, and depression among undergraduate students of Maldives National University. Taima Hassan, sorry, Aminat Ifa Ibrahim, Ahmad Yazdan, Fatmat Ina Sharif, and Ahmad Shabin. Treatment outcome of polycystic ovarian syndrome related infertility. Aishat Zila, Aminat Siba Ahmad, Faiha Ali Muhammad, Mariam Luba Abdullah, and Muhammad Azhad Ali. Risk of malnutrition and its relationship with surgical complications in patients undergoing surgery under the Department of Surgery of Indira Gandhi Memorial Hospital. Tua Ahmad Shagif, Dr. Azani Mujahid, and Dr. Changi Wong. Rapid assessment of microplastic type and abundance in Kuching Wetlands National Park. Anuf Abdullah, Anan Hassan, and Mariam Nahar Nizam. Socio-economic factors affecting health-seeking behaviors of Bangladeshi migrant workers living in Malé, Maldives. Ibrahim Ahmad, Ahmad Shamim, Suma Adam, Ahmad Muaz, Aishat Shakil, and Bharat Panjade. Factors affecting diabetic foot ulcer among patients presenting to wound care clinics across the Maldives. The awardees for the outstanding papers of Teveli 2024 are Aishat Shanura and Unaisa Saud, Relationship between parenting styles and romantic attachment in adults with gender as a moderating variable. Aminat Riaz, Ahmad Hashim, and F.G. Muhammad. Miyaru divehi bahai Malik Bahuruwa nuata mahal bas. Bahuruwage tafatuta denegatomuge basma faanu tahulil. Affan Ali Najib, Hassan Wahid, Ahmad Amjad Ismail, and Furgan Ibrahim. Evaluation of effectiveness of cleaning in place of membranes and optimum period of membrane replacement on a seawater reverse osmosis plant. Aminat Zahir and Aminat Riaz. Divehi bahuge baskoshar ada hamakurun gonjehuntakai masalata.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Chancellor of the Maldives National University, Dr. Mahmoud Shawki, Vice Chancellor, Dr. Aisha Shahinas, Ministers, senior officials of the Maldives National University, keynote speakers, distinguished guests, esteemed scholars and participants from around the world. Good morning and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It gives me great pleasure to stand before you today at the Maldives National University's annual Teveli International Conference. At the outset, let me congratulate the recipients of the Early Career Researchers Award and Outstanding Papers of the Conference Award. Your inquisitive mind and thirst for knowledge set a remarkable example for the youth of our nation to emulate. This conference, focusing on the theme Bridging Boundaries, Exploring Synergies Across Research Disciplines, is a beacon of intellectual discourse, bringing together some of the brightest minds in the country and beyond to share knowledge and explore new horizons. In the spirit of collaboration and knowledge sharing, I extend my deepest gratitude to the Maldives National University for organizing this event. Your dedication to fostering an environment of inquisition, collaboration, and innovation is truly commendable. As we gather here today, we celebrate the spirit of exploration that drives us to seek knowledge and share it for the betterment of our society. Research, as we all know, is the driving force behind human progress. It is this relentless pursuit of knowledge, born from our innate curiosity, that leads us to explore the unknown and uncover new truths. This pursuit of knowledge fuels advancements that shape our world and drives us forward. Without it, our development would stagnate, leaving us bereft of the progress that defines our civilization. In an era where challenges facing our world are increasingly complex and interconnected, the role of research has never been more critical. Whether it's combating the impact of climate change, developing sustainable technologies, or improving public health systems, the solutions to these global challenges lie in our collective ability to conduct innovative, interdisciplinary research. This is why platforms like Teveli International Conference are so vital. They provide the space for cross-pollination of ideas, where researchers from different disciplines can come together to create solutions that are not only innovative, but also practical and applicable across various sectors. Moreover, research is essential in forming policy decisions, providing a foundation of empirical evidence that helps craft effective public policies. It not only guides decision makers, but also enhances successful financial investments, propels the development of science and technology, and offers innovative and, more importantly, evidence-based solutions to national and global challenges. Research is not just about accumulating knowledge. It is a powerful tool for societal and economic progress. Multidisciplinary research plays a crucial role in the national development of a country by fostering innovation and addressing complex societal challenges. This holistic approach is essential for tackling issues that hinder our progress. For a small island developing state like ours, it is crucial to advance our research systems, to ensure our development models fit into our communities, our values, and our vision for the future. Recognizing the critical role of research in our nation's progress, on my first day assuming office last November, I implored our scholars and intellectuals to utilize their expertise. I will ensure that scholars are accorded the respect and dignity you deserve, and pledge that the government will welcome and support you. In the short term since, the government has made significant strides to ensure this is realized and that our policies are evidence-based. To this end, we are establishing a National Research Council as a cornerstone of a research-driven future. This initiative, along with the introduction of research grants, align with our reform agenda, particularly in areas such as environmental sustainability, economic development, and social welfare, is a testament to our commitment to a knowledge-based society. In addition, we are implementing mechanisms to strengthen collaboration between researchers and policymakers. By doing so, we ensure that research is actively integrated into the policy-making process, fostering a culture of research-based decision-making that is gaining momentum in the Maldives. For research to thrive, it must be supported. Therefore, we are committed to increasing investment in research and development, launching new initiatives to bolster academic institutions, and creating opportunities for researchers to pursue projects aligned with our national development priorities. These development priorities will be based on the will of the people and the knowledge from all of you. We understand that creating a robust research ecosystem is not a task for the government alone. It requires active participation from all stakeholders, including academic institutions, the private sector, and international partners. As we increase our investment in research, we also aim to create partnerships that will allow us to leverage global expertise and resources, ensuring that the research conducted in the Maldives is of the highest international standard. In this regard, I encourage all the stakeholders to actively engage in building a research infrastructure that not only meets our current needs, but also anticipates the challenges of the future. In the coming months, several key projects will be launched, addressing critical areas such as agriculture and fisheries, climate adaptation, public health, and sustainable tourism, all of which are essential to our national well-being. These initiatives will further reinforce our dedication to research-driven progress. Ladies and gentlemen, at the heart of our nation's intellectual and research landscape stands the Maldives National University. I applaud your work, which has not only benefited the Maldives, but also has contributed to global knowledge. As you are all fully aware, in today's interconnected world, research cannot be confined to a single discipline or country. We must encourage interdisciplinary research and embrace international collaboration, bringing global perspectives to local challenges. This approach ensures that our research is informed by the best minds worldwide, and that the solutions we develop are robust and globally relevant. The Maldives National University is not just an educational institution. It is a ray of hope for the progress of our nation. Not just a center of learning, but a catalyst for positive change. Not just a campus, but a second home for many students. Universities and academia play a crucial role in driving social and economic development and in the transformation of our youth to future leaders. Your contribution to research are the building blocks of our future, laying the foundation for a more prosperous and sustainable Maldives. Statistics provide just a glimpse of the transformative impact of research. As we look to the future, it is imperative that we continue to support and expand your efforts, ensuring that the Maldives is at the forefront of research and innovation, not just in our region, but on the global stage. Together, we can make the Maldives a hub of research excellence, where ideas flourish, knowledge is shared, and solutions to the world's most pressing challenges are found. Looking ahead, our vision is clear: a future where research and innovation are central to our nation's progress. We envision a Maldives where every policy decision is evidence-based, where every challenge is met with a solution grounded in expert knowledge. To achieve this, we are committed to fostering a research-oriented society, one that values knowledge and evidence as the cornerstone of development. I urge all stakeholders, academia, researchers, policymakers, and the public and the private sector, as well as the public, to collaborate in this important endeavor. The challenges we face require a collective effort, and together we can build a brighter future for the Maldives, informed by the power of research and driven by the pursuit of knowledge. Let us strive for excellence in research, knowing that our efforts today will shape the Maldives of tomorrow. To the public, I emphasize that research is not just for the academics and policymakers, it's for everyone. The decisions we make today, based on rigorous research and evidence, will determine the future we build, not just for our children, but their children and grandchildren. I encourage every citizen to value and support research, to ask questions, to seek knowledge, and be active participants in our nation's journey towards progress. Together, we can ensure that the Maldives continues to grow, innovate, and prosper in a constantly changing world. As we embark on this journey of discovery and innovation, I wish all participants a fruitful conference. May your discussions and collaborations over the next few days lead to new insights, innovative solutions, and lasting partnerships. Thank you all.
Thank you, Your Excellency President Dr. Mohammad Muiz, for your address. Your insightful words have profoundly resonated with us, inspiring both hope and a commitment to action. May I now kindly request the Deputy Vice Chancellor, Research and Enterprise, Dr. Rahima Abdur Rahim, to deliver the closing remarks. Dr. Rahima Abdur Rahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Guest of honor, the President of the Republic of Maldives, His Excellency Dr. Mohammad Muiz, Chancellor Dr. Mahmoud Shawgi, Vice Chancellor Dr. Aishat Shehnaz Adam, Honorable Ministers, Excellencies, keynote speakers, presenters, and participants of the conference, distinguished invitees, staff and students of MNU, Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning. It is a great pleasure for me to say a few words at the opening ceremony of the 7th International Teveli Conference. We are deeply honored to have the President of the Republic of Maldives, His Excellency Dr. Mohammad Muiz, as our chief guest. His presence at this occasion is a testament to his support for our efforts to foster a culture of research excellence at MNU. Thank you, His Excellency. On behalf of MNU, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to our 5 keynote speakers for graciously accepting our invitation. Your presence greatly enriches this event, and we eagerly anticipate learning from your knowledge, expertise, and experiences. Thank you for your invaluable contribution. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, this conference is an important event in the university calendar, eagerly anticipated by local as well as overseas presenters and participants. Year on year, the prestige of the conference has been rising. Their participation in this important conference indicates the growing esteem and acceptance of this venture. While there are more than 4 international conferences around this period of the year in the Maldives, these numbers speak of the growing interest in research in the Maldives and the desire to debate and share the findings. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, Teveli 2024 was announced in 2023, and since then, many had worked tirelessly to make this event a success. It is a matter of particular delight for me to single out
the research development office team for their immense contribution to making this event possible. Major events like an international conference take place because of the synergy, collaboration, and cooperation of various departments within MNU: marketing, IT, facilities management, projects, procurement, finance and administration, secretariat, moderators, reviewers, and presenters. The reviewers spent many hours to ensure that the papers presented are worthy of your attendance and time. Thank you. Often, what makes a meeting of many people joyful is what goes in between paper presentations. In this respect, the staff and students of the Faculty of Hospitality and Tourism Studies deserve our commendation and respect for the creative ways in which they have attended their tasks. You be the judge. Thank you, FHTS. I extend my heartfelt thanks to everyone involved and commend senior management, staff, and students of MNU for their unwavering dedication to making this event a success. We wish you all a great time at the conference. Thank you and wassalamu alaikum.
Thank you, Deputy Vice Chancellor. This brings us to the close of the opening ceremony. On behalf of MNU, I would like to congratulate all the award winners of TEWALI 2024. Thank you all for your presence. Refreshment will be served outside in E block, third level. We will begin the keynote session on AI data